Hello everyone. I'm excited to present CareBridge, an AI-powered health assistant that can solve critical problems in healthcare today. Let's see the problem first. Healthcare is held back by fragmented data and unreliable information. For general public, getting trustworthy medical information is harder than ever. Search engines and generic chatbots like ChatGPT flood people with conflicting, unverified answers. This leaves people seeking medical insights anxious when trying to interpret symptoms or lab results, often delaying their decision to seek care. And patients needing constant care end up waiting in phone queues or booking appointments for simple questions that don't require a doctor's time. For healthcare providers, critical patient information, notes, labs, imaging, and prior patient history is scattered across disconnected systems. They must manually verify dozens of reports, a process that's slow, cognitively draining, and prone to human error. Let me tell you about the people whose stories inspired me to create CareBridge. Alex, of age 28, was experiencing strange symptoms like fatigue, frequent urination, and unexplained weight loss. He is very worried and not only hesitant to schedule expensive doctor visits, but also doesn't want to bother his doctor with probably nothing. He tried Googling his symptoms but got overwhelmed with conflicting information and scary worst case scenarios like from just stress to cancer, which increased his anxiety further. And there is Maria, 45, has diabetes and sees multiple specialists and her primary care doctor. Each doctor has different pieces of her health puzzle, but no one sees the complete picture, and her lab results are scattered across different systems. She feels like she is the one connecting the dots between appointments, as there is no unified view of her overall health status. Dr. Sarah is a budding family physician, is drowning in patient data chaos. She has 25 patients today, and each one's information is scattered across different systems. Lab results in one place, medication changes in another, specialist notes somewhere else. For few patients, her own notes was written in a hurry, missing critical patterns she should have caught. She thought she is supposed to be a doctor, not a data detective. Besides this, Sarah also realized that her data chaos isn't just inconvenient, it's dangerous and a gamble with someone's life. She nearly prescribed a medication to a patient that could interact dangerously with a specialist treatment. So, the real difference looks like this. Imagine a world where millions of people like Alex get clarity instead of confusion, millions of patients like Maria get unified care instead of fragmentation, millions of providers like Sarah can prevent potential life threatening errors and focus on life saving insights. So, every decision is made with confidence and not fear. Presenting CareBridge, the solution to all these problems, is an AI-powered health assistant that feels as simple as chat, yet is grounded in trusted medical sources. So CareBridge provides a guest mode. Anyone can ask health questions as simple as what are the symptoms of diabetes or my lab shows high cholesterol, what does this mean? And even upload lab reports to get clear, plain language insights. Responses include triage indicators, namely routine, urgent, emergency, so people know what requires timely attention. It also has an enterprise edition which caters provider and patient dashboards with single sign-on. Patients can have all their health data in one place and get structured summaries and have a unified view of their health journey. Providers get unified patient views, eliminating the need to piece together scattered information. Unlike generic chatbots that speculate or overwhelm with noise, CareBridge delivers clear, concise, and relevant guidance people can rely on. The system uses trusted sources only. This matters because instead of waiting in long hospital queues or sitting through conflicting and anxious internet searches, users get credible answers immediately for non-emergency situations. Let me walk you through the architecture. At the center is CareBridge, our AI-powered health intelligence platform. The pillars. These are our three user groups: general public, patients, and providers, all interacting with the system. The system delivers three core services: health Q&A, lab report analysis, and clinical data integration, and generating intelligent structured summaries. Everything is powered only by trusted health sources like Mayo Clinic, Medline Plus, FDA, CDC, NIH, and WHO. So no unreliable or unapproved information is shared with the users. The flow works like this. Users ask questions or upload files. Our AI processes this, through our trusted knowledge base and delivers evidence-based responses with clear triage indicators and source references. Traditional healthcare apps usually serve one user type. CareBridge serves everyone with one intelligent platform, building the infrastructure for better healthcare for everyone. This architecture shows how CareBridge transforms healthcare from fragmented chaos to unified intelligence, one user at a time. Now let me show you CareBridge in action. Let's explore the guest mode first. So let's ask about the available treatments for diabetes. So while the answer is generating, it shows like it's analyzing our question, searching medical database, and compiling a response. So you can see the answer generated. So these are the latest treatments available to diabetes. So the question is identified as a routine question and it's not emergency. So it also provided a checklist of the red flags. So user can use these links and can dig further if any additional information is required. So when user hits on new chat, the old conversation gets saved by getting named appropriately. User can rename it, can delete it or share it with someone else. Let's check with another question regarding drug safety. So appropriate response is generated. It is answered that it can increase the risk of gastrointestinal side effects. And for any drug related question, it will display like always check with or consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. So I'm testing it with another symptom based question. So the chest pain question is identified as an emergency. So the user is advised to immediately call emergency services or go to the nearest hospital using this triage indicator. And also a checklist is provided. So let's upload a lab report and see how this works. So I have uploaded a sample lab report. The glucose levels are slightly elevated. Let's see how our app is going to identify that. So you can see no PHI stored is displayed here. So this is a principle that prioritizes user privacy. Chats, uploads, and caches are held only in memory and never written to a database or disk. Even when user uploads lab reports, the data is ephemeral and completely cleared on server restart. This design ensures that general users can get instant health insights without any risk of their sensitive information being stored or compromised. You can see the summary of the lab report uploaded. So it says the glucose levels are slightly elevated, everything else is normal. So these are the values from the lab report, and it also accurately explained what those values mean. So let's look into our enterprise edition. This is our patient dashboard. The patient can log in. The patient can see the snapshot of their problems, medications, and the results of their last lab reports. They can add if they have any additional concerns here. And they can hit on generate summary. This will guide the patient in plain language. They can understand the results better. The problems he already have are diabetes and hypertension. So the chest pain is already included. And these are the medications. And this is the plan generated. So it's advising the patient to schedule an appointment to evaluate chest pain. So this is how the patient will be guided. And you can see the provider dashboard. So the provider can see all the patients he's treating and the patient summary. So the provider can also add any additional concerns or new symptoms of the patient that are not yet tracked or loaded into the database yet. And they can generate summary for the general visit, or they can generate discharge summary as well. They just need to hit on generate HPI assessment plan. So the plan is to monitor chest pain, consider further evaluation, continue current diabetes and hypertension management. So doctor can use this and tweak it and share it with the patients. Both the patients and providers can chat with the CareBridge assistant. Looking ahead, CareBridge is not going to be just what we have seen now. There are plans and ideas to enhance it even better. The roadmap includes enterprise-grade controls with multi-tenant organization isolation, allowing different hospitals and healthcare organizations to use the platform securely and independently. We are building enhanced compliance and privacy features, HIPAA certification, GDPR compliance, and comprehensive audit trails and data residency controls. Our platform will connect seamlessly with existing EHR or EMR systems while incorporating human in the loop review processes for sensitive AI outputs. We are also developing smart templates and specialty based checklists along with the mobile optimized, accessible user interface that supports multiple languages and localization. These enhancements will transform CareBridge from a powerful health app into a comprehensive healthcare infrastructure platform that organizations can trust with their most sensitive data and workflows. CareBridge represents the future of healthcare, where reliable information is instantly accessible, patient data is unified, and decisions are made with confidence. We are not just building another health app, we are creating the bridge between fragmented healthcare systems and the trusted intelligent guidance everyone deserves. That is all about CareBridge. Thank you.